So scalloped potatoes au gratin are traditionally very cheesy, and we're going to add to that flavor a little bit by cutting some thyme and adding that to the flour that it cooks in. So we have our thyme here, and again, you can either pull to get the little flowers off like this. Some people will take it in their hands and rub it until things come off, but if you have a sharp enough knife, you can just go right ahead and cut it all up. And you want to cut this very thinly to make sure that all of the stems have been broken up. So once you've done that, we want to go ahead and prepare our casserole dish. I'm going to take a stick of butter and just at the very end, open it. We're going to want to grease the entire bottom of the pan and a little bit up on the sides.